How to replace cabin filter on Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, 2018 to 2024, in 14 easy steps. You need to know that Tesla Model 3 and Model Y have two cabin air filters instead of one like other cars, and they are located in the front passenger's legs area, on the left side. Required tools: flat blade screwdriver, trim tool, T20-bit Torx. 1. First, press on the car icon located on the lower left corner of the display. Then go to Security, and here you give it power off. 2. Slide the passenger seat as far back as possible to have more room for the passenger's feet. The panel under the glove box is held in place by a T20 Torx screw and 2 clips. 3. Remove the cover under the glove box. Use a Torx T20 to loosen the screw, then a trim tool and a flat blade screwdriver to remove the 2 plastic clips. Four. Leave the cover down and then disconnect the plug from the passenger footlight and the plug from the speaker. Five. Take out the cover under the glove box. Six. Unclip the carpet from the right side. Install the clips back on the carpet if they were left on the car. Seven. Remove the pollen filter cover. 8. Remove the first pollen filter by pulling on its top. 9. Also remove the second pollen filter by lifting it from its position and then pull it out. 'Find the pollen filter for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y below in the video description. Install the new pollen filters back into their housing in the position indicated on them. follow the arrows that will show how the air circulates through the filter. Put the cover back on. 12. Put back the carpet. 13. Connect the plugs back to the glove box cover and snap it back into place. Reattach the clips and screw. Don't forget to like and subscribe on YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.